Time there was a universe. We are not sure about how it started or whether there is a reason. We don't know, for example, if space time is ordered or disordered at the smallest scales, which are dominated by the weirdness of quantum mechanics. We are pretty sure that during the first sliver of a trillionth of a second, it expanded very rapidly so that for the most part it looked the same in every direction and looked the same from every position. It was sameness everywhere, except that particles started to blip out of nothing due to random fluctuations caused by quantum effects, maybe in space-time. We are still not super sure about that. Then again, we are not super sure about this either. For some reason, those particles formed more matter than antimatter. That process, which formed a particle type called baryons, is called baryogenesis. From there, those baryons started to form structures, and from those structures, stars formed. Then the stars got old, and some of them died in super epic, rather fabulous fashion. They exploded into supernova, making heavy elements like carbon and oxygen in the process. Those elements went on to be the basis for all life on Earth. Earth is a planet, one of the structures that formed around stars from the leftovers of supernova. Eventually, a smaller type of structure that we call life formed on Earth. Some of the life forms that evolved were relatively hairless apes that use a variety of methods of communication. There are about 7 billion of these apes with various levels of eumelanin and pheomelanin in their skin and hair, giving them a range of colors. The apes also have a lot of different hair textures. Some of the ones with less eumelanin have for a long time now been cruel to the ones with more, some of whom we know as black people. We know why this is, although we don't fully understand the why, but it might be due to laziness or because they are jealous of our boogie. But despite this, black lives come from the same baryogenesis, the same supernova, and the same structure formation. No matter what the lowest eumelanin people say, black lives are star stuff and black lives matter. All of them.